Welcome back to revenXgaming. Today we're diving deep into one of the biggest leaks in gaming history. The GTA 6 map leaked. Rockstar's most ambitious project, yet might just have revealed way more than anyone expected. And trust me, this map is massive.
So, let's start with what the leaks actually show. According to several insider reports and leaked coordinates, the GTA 6 map is centered around Vice City, Rockstar's version of Miami, but this time, it's not just one city. Leaked development footage and map overlays suggest there are multiple surrounding counties, including rural farmlands, tropical islands, and even swamps inspired by Florida's Everglades. The leaked minimap snippets point toward an expanded southern region with multiple highways, airports, and dozens of Enterable stores and houses. We're talking over 700 interior locations, something we've never seen at this scale before in any Rockstar title.
Vice City itself looks completely redesigned. The neon lights are still there, but the skyline seems massive: skyscrapers, beaches, docks, and nightlife zones that feel alive. Some users who mapped the leaks onto Google Maps found that the playable area could be twice as big as GTA 5's Los Santos, with the ocean space being used for boat chases, smuggling missions, and hidden islands. And yes, a few leaked mission files even reference an offshore prison island, potentially a restricted area. That opens up later in the story. What's even crazier is the rumor that the GTA 6 map might evolve over time. Several trusted insiders have hinted that Rockstar plans to update the world dynamically, adding new towns, districts, and even expanding the mainland after launch. Think of it like GTA Online meets Fortnite map updates. This means players could literally watch the world change with future DLC or online events. And here's the kicker. Leaked internal notes mention weather-based destruction, hurricanes, floods, and power. Outages could temporarily change how you explore the world. Just imagine it, driving through a flooded Vice City street, lightning flashing, the neon signs flickering, and cops chasing you in the rain. That if these leaks are real, GTA 6 isn't just a map, it's a living ecosystem. From the beaches to the countryside, everything seems handcrafted to feel immersive and reactive. And considering Rockstar's next-gen engine updates, the scale and detail could redefine what we expect from open-world games. So what do you think? Will GTA 6's map really be the biggest and most dynamic open world ever made? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'm curious what part of Vice City you're most hyped to explore. If you love this breakdown, smash that like button and subscribe to revenX for more GTA 6 leaks, news, and deep dives. This is just the beginning, and trust me, the next leaks are even crazier.